Hi everyone, my name is Jade Calver. I own and operate Calver Immigration Consulting Inc. We're a full-service immigration firm located in Ontario, Canada. Today I'll be talking about citizenship applications and updates that we've seen as of 2022. With the advent of the COVID-19 pandemic, citizenship applications were severely delayed. We saw applications take over 2 years to be finalized, which was a significant delay compared to the 1-year processing that we were previously able to rely on for citizenship application processing. Immigration Canada has finally caught up, and we have seen a few different changes with how applications are processed. I'll be running through those today in this video, and please get in touch with us if you have any questions about preparing or applying for a citizenship application for Canadian citizenship. So, as of 2021 and 2022, applications for citizenship have gone online. That's one of the biggest changes. However, it's only for single applicants, so you have to be applying alone and not with your children or spouse for citizenship. Applications, if you're applying together as a family, you would apply via paper. We, at the moment, are applying still via paper for these applications, but we find that the acknowledgements of receipt are arriving quite quickly for our clients. Next, what happens with these citizenship applications generally is that you'll receive, if you have to write it, you'll receive a request to write the exam. The nice part about these exams, especially for those who live a distance from any major city center, is that you can now write the citizenship exam online. So the citizenship exam hasn't changed in format. It's still a 20-question multiple choice questionnaire on the rights and responsibilities of Canadian citizenship, as well as Canadian history. However, what you're able to do is write this online, and it's important to note that you can write this. Policy allows you to write from anywhere in the world. So those of you who have submitted an application and are now living abroad actually can write the citizenship exam from abroad. During processing, you can still get a request for fingerprints. So this is a randomized background check. If this happens to you, don't be alarmed. This is quite normal, and it's always been routine for citizenship applications. Processing times we find are back to normal. We're getting requests to write the citizenship exam and or for fingerprints, usually around the 5 to 6 month mark post-submission. And then usually within a year to a year and a half, we're getting the request to attend the citizenship ceremony. So the biggest change as of 2021 and now continuing on into 2022 is that these citizenship ceremonies are still online. So what happens is that you have to, unlike the citizenship exam, you have to be in Canada for the citizenship ceremony, but it's completely virtual. So as we're all working virtually, we see Immigration Canada conduct these citizenship ceremonies online. So you'll go before the citizenship judge, have the ceremony, all from the comfort of your living room. And then what happens is that you have your citizenship certificate mailed to you, so to the mailing address on file. And then with that citizenship certificate, you can apply for a Canadian passport. Remember, an important tip is that once you have Canadian citizenship, you have to re-enter Canada on a Canadian passport, so just be mindful of that. Also, it's important to note that if you are actually planning to live abroad, that you should get your citizenship and your passport before you leave the country again. And that timing from when you have the ceremony until you get the passport can take about 2 months. So just be mindful of that when you're applying for citizenship. So in sum, citizenship processing times are back to about 12 months. However, as you can see, there are some changes. Most of it has gone online. And those processing times that we're seeing from 2020 and early 2021, where applications were taking close to 2 years, seem to essentially be a thing of the past. So you can be confident that within about a year, you'll have your citizenship from the time that you apply. That's everything when it comes to updates for 2022, when it comes to Canadian citizenship applications. If you have any questions, whether it be about the citizenship exam or if you qualify for citizenship, please get in touch. We're online at calverimmigrationservices.com.